Welcome family. Today I'm gonna do some steam fish granny style, so just stick around and see how I achieve this dish. Remember, if you like what I'm doing, please give me a like, and if you're new, please subscribe and become a part of the family. Thank you. Yes guys, so when I get my fish from the market, take them home, I still have to do a little re-clean, right? To get off the little scale, the little nitty-gritty, wash them down with my vinegar, my lemon, lime, whatever you could use. Clean them up properly, then I core them and season them. And another important thing guys, I'm gonna cook this on a medium heat, right? Because I'm not gonna use any water. I'm gonna cook them slow and a medium heat, so remember that is very important, right? Anyway guys, you know salt have its distinguished taste come from it, right? So I'm using a tablespoon, right? A teaspoon, right? And the good old Maggi season. I'm going to show you how me cook good Jamaica fish. Thanks to mama for teach me how to do all these nice steam fish. Look, me have here the Maggi fish season, yeah, and I have the all-purpose as well. So these are the three I'm gonna use, right? So I just mix them in together and I just see how me do my thing here. Because guess what, there's a trick to steam fish a lot of people don't know. I'm gonna show you something where my grandmother teach me, right? Because fish, you have to treat it just like how you just season up meat. You might use different ingredients to season your fish, but you treat it a different way in terms of it have to marinate, right? So, alright, so here I have my season mixed together. I'm gonna put it in the core, right? I already core my fish. I went ahead and core it. See? Okay guys, you put it inside there. Turn it over here. I'm gonna show you guys for the record. Let me do this one and show you, right? Alright, see how me clean up in my fish good. Alright, another trick, me like to do this because I like to want to sprinkle it in the head of the fish. My granny teach me that you have to put your hand into things to get the taste you're looking for, you know? Right, and massage it inside here. Now when I do this now, I'm gonna use the ketchup and put inside all over here, right? And I'm gonna rub it all over here on the fish head like that, right? Base it, right? And here now I have some natural ingredients blend. Here I have garlic, hot pepper, scallion, thyme, onion, sweet pepper and ginger all blend together right here, and some pimento all blend together right here guys. And this, watch what I'm doing, right? I'm gonna put a little like this, right, in it, and I'm gonna rub it like that, massage it in the fish, right? And I'm gonna put little outside as well and massage it, right? Guys, when this fish steam, trust me, you know want if it done. When you get a fish steam like this, trust me, just watch and see. Okay, so we're gonna continue the same process. So I already went ahead and seasoned the core off camera because the camera wasn't playing at the time. I thought it was playing, but it wasn't playing. So anyway, I didn't put any ketchup, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some ketchup right now. Trust me guys, if you try this, you know want if you done. And some people don't know that the fish head if you all rub up in a season too. Rub up from head to toe. Natural herbs again, same procedure, right? And you base it all over it, and you do the other side same way, right? and in the fish head. Some people not eat fish head because what? It don't season properly. But when me season my fish head, you have to eat fish head. Right? So this is the way. Right? Okay. I place my tomatoes, my onion, my garlic in the bottom of, and I'm gonna place some sweet pepper. We call them, then call them bell pepper up here, right? So I'm gonna place some bell pepper, right? And you place this herb in the bottom of your pot before you place the fish, right? Alright, look what I'm doing. I'll place my fish like that. Place it in a, right? In a pot. Alright. Right, so I place the herbs below it, beneath it, and I'm gonna place on top now, right? Reason being, right? The flavors from the herb gonna come from both ends, top and bottom. And this is the way my grandma mama showed me how to do it, and trust me, you get a nice tasting finger licking fish. Cook this for your husband. Father's Day all come up, so you cook this for your father, whoever, right? So here I'm putting the rest of season on the top of the fish, and if you notice I have some pumpkin here, right? And I put the pumpkin on top because I don't want them to mash out too much. And I have thyme for this thyme come from my garden, guys. I plant whenever I can. Yes, and I have my scallion, and I'm gonna add some hot pepper, right? I'm gonna take out the hot pepper yet, but nevertheless. So this is what I do, right? Okay. So guys, I'm not gonna add no water when I'm steaming this fish, right? I'm gonna leave it just like this. But what I do, I go ahead and I will sprinkle a little more of the Maggi seasoning, just a little over it, right? Right, because I already seasoned it with salt and the all-purpose and fish season already. So now when you see me put all the season here, I'm gonna cover this pot and let it sit for an hour, and then I'm gonna steam my fish. I'm gonna show you how I go from there. So guys, after letting my fish sit for an hour, you could even make it sit longer. Sometimes I make it sit for even 2-3 hours. The longer it sit and soak and absorb the season, the better the fish even tastes. Anyway, I'm using a tablespoon and a half of butter, right? And I'm adding some pimento. You don't know, your granny teach you how to cook with your pimento. You get a special flavor from the pimento. Yes, guys. And another little thing now, I'm gonna add some olive oil, a tablespoon of olive oil, right? And this is gonna help my fish to steam nicely, mild and tender. After 15 minutes, remember I'm cooking at a medium heat, right? So it's gonna take a little longer than normal. So now I open and to check my pot, and there you see water, right? You see that? I didn't add any water, remember? And look, it springs its own water. I'm gonna leave it and make it continue to spring more. So I check back on my pot again, guys, right? Because and see, water keeps springing more water. The fish keeps springing more water. And I'm gonna place some okra because I don't really like my okra too soft. Too, you know, I don't want it to slime up a pot. Well, that's just me, right? Anyways, add my okra, and after a minute or two, I'm gonna add some bammy because I'm gonna have my fish with bammy, guys. So I'm gonna steam the bammy. fish keeps springing more water, and reason being is because the vegetables, the herbs from the tomato, the pumpkin, the sweet pepper, all of these things have water in them, and the fish itself have water. So you see the water spring from them, right? So it steams the fish by just springing its own water. So guys, at this point I'm adding some bammy, right? And I recommend now that this is the point where you would add some water, because bammy does suck up your gravy, right? So after you pour your little gravy and your bammy, just to get in the flavor, you add a little water, let it sit for 2-3 minutes, and cover your pot. Remember, if you like what I'm doing, please give me a like, and if you're new, please subscribe and become a part of the family. Thank you.